For the upcoming build that I'm doing with Streetblisters, they sent out a couple of their kits and their parts to be used on Hondas and other builds alike. Now specifically they sent out their new wheel set of the Enkei RPF1s with a nice set of stretched tires. Now the tires are universal and usable on all of their sets, as all of them are 16 inches. They are a nice stretchy rubber with some nice details captured into them as well, and on the sidewall there is some detail too. The wheels themselves come in this nice little box. You just slide it out and you have 4 wheels. The wheels are 16 inches in 1/24th scale. They come with lug nuts and all. They don't have the center cap, which I don't really understand, but I guess that's their trademark somehow. They are all the same width and they are a female fitment. You can use it with the stock polycaps on the kit. I'm not sure if it's a 1-to-1 fit, but it won't really be that much of an adjustment.